Namaste, yogis. Welcome, Black Yogi Tribe. If this is your first time, welcome. Subscribe, stay a while. If not, welcome back. It's so good to see you. Again, we're in our 21-day challenge. So 21 days to break a habit, to start a habit, right? To, check in with yourself. 21 strong days. Why not? If you check science and the programming of your brain, right, and how things work, you'll check in. The number 21 might become significant to you. If not, that's okay too. Join in just because, right? Movement is happiness. Movement is everything. Being able to move your body, you being able to be in control of your body, your breath. Right, so here I'm just lighting a little sage before this practice. I have a little Palo Santo and a nice smudging feather. So I have these available on the website, THEBLKYOGI.bigcartel.com. So if you'd like to purchase your own meditation kit, there are a few there. So I'm also wearing the Black Yogi apparel. My yoga teacher is Black T. So if you'd like to own your own, it's also on the link that I will link in the description below. So I thank you for your support always. Without further ado, let's get into it. I like to instruct the downward dog from a tabletop position. I feel like it helps you to best set up, right? Get yourself grounded. So check in with your hands. Be sure to spread your fingers wide. Check in with your wrists. Are your wrists aligned with the elbow, aligned with the shoulder? Check in. Use hasta, banda. So that is that upward motion with your hands gripping into the earth, supporting you, right? So that suction that your hands have with the earth and the mat or the surface underneath you. Look in between your knees. Check in. Can you see your toes? If so, move them out just a little bit. And inhale. Exhale. Tuck the toes. So tuck the toes under and begin to shift your weight up, bringing your body into a downward dog here. Okay, so maybe your knees are bent. Maybe your hamstrings are a little tight. Maybe your knees are bent. Maybe you're stretching your legs out. Most important thing to remember is to breathe, not to have too much weight on your wrist, not to have too much weight on any part of your body. So distribute an equal amount of weight in your body and breathe deeply. Your drishti is at your navel center. So gazing at your navel center. Good, and inhale. Coming on to the tippy toes, bend the knees. Step to the front of your mat. Good. Inhale to a half lift. Grab your elbows. Twist. Good. Inhaling and exhaling. Good, and come center, placing the hands on the mat, bringing your body up slowly. Very, very good. I am loving every moment of sharing these poses, this challenge with you all. I'm loving your pictures. Keep going. I'm rooting for you. I'm loving everything that I'm seeing. Keep going. Keep going. Namaste.